Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. We are back again today with another piece of carbon fiber. Pretty soon, I think my car will be all carbon fiber. That's not going to be true, but we are making more strides. It is an addiction, I do admit, but man, the Extreme Online Store, the EOS carbon fiber has looked so fantastic that I just keep going. Now, the piece that I'm installing today is a piece that I have wanted for a while. My friend Steve, Protective Dad Pranks, has it on his car. And I've wanted it, and finally EOS has it, and I ordered it, and we're going to get it installed today. But let's take a look at what it is. Stay tuned. So let's get this box open. All right, so let's take a look. I went ahead and already unboxed this and opened it up. So this is the center console right here in carbon fiber, and this is carbon fiber through and through. Of course, you have your double-sided tape on the back of it. And my friend Ilya is going to love this. And I don't know if I said his name right, but I know he loves this carbon fiber so much. And then, of course, we also have the cup holder that's going to go right here. And again, also carbon fiber through and through. We're going to stick both of those on. There is a mode selector, and I didn't realize that that was coming separately, so we will get that installed later, but I wanted to go ahead and get these installed now. But check it out. Look at the quality once again. Absolutely fantastic from EOS. Let's go get it on. So for those of you who have seen me do this before, you know the first step that we're going to do is we're going to wipe down the areas we will be installing the carbon fiber with isopropyl alcohol. That way we can clean off any of the debris, any oil from the skin, anything like that to make sure that the double-sided tape will stick well. All right, so I did a test fit and I pulled back the corners of the red double-sided tape. And those of you that know me know how much I love this activity. Honestly, I think I would pay somebody to come and start all this so I could just peel it off when I'm ready. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's pull these pieces off and let's get it installed. Hey guys, I have a quick favor to ask of you. If you enjoy this video, would you please hit that like button? And if you're not a subscriber, and again, you enjoy this video, would you please go ahead and consider subscribing? Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content I have coming up in the future. It really means a lot to the channel if you would do both those things. Anyway, thanks again. All right, so as you can see, I've pulled off all of the double-sided tape, the backing to the double-sided tape. Now we're going to slide this in. Just like that. Get it lined up. Gonna press it down in all the areas where the tape is. And I'm gonna go get a microfiber towel and I'm gonna continue to wipe this down and push it into place for all of the tape. So last but not least, we have the cup holder. We're going to go ahead and install that now. I have pulled off the backing on the double-sided tape. This one actually went pretty quickly. Let's go ahead and get this on. Make sure it's lined up correctly for opening and closing. Yes, we are. Press it into place. And voila, we are done. Looks fantastic. All right, guys, that's going to do it. The brand new EOS carbon fiber center console cover along with the cup holder cover as well. Looking absolutely fantastic with all of the other EOS carbon fiber inside of here. I am absolutely loving this. Plus, of course, you know, we've got the little door boomerang thing, or whatever you want to call it. It's not the boomerang, that would be on the Z06, but whatever you want to call it. And then, of course, the carbon fiber side skirts, the carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber front splitter, also all from EOS Extreme Online Store. I will leave links to this new product down in the description. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you for watching.